Today we're gonna go ahead and do a charcoal filter delete and hopefully a block off plate, some sort of gadget I'm gonna invent to do a block off for the air system. Supposedly these charcoal filter deletes get 15 wheel horsepower. They're pretty restrictive, so let's get on with that. First thing you want to do is you want to remove the air box. So you gotta some T, some torque screws over here, which are not that hard to get off. I just got it off with my hand, and they're the same size as these little ones, but I recommend you guys take off this. And to do that, you just loosen this clamp here and then just pull it up. It's like fit it in here to the slot. You just gotta pull it up and it should slide right back out. So let me go ahead and do that first. Take this one out. Yeah, sometimes these are a little pain in the butt to take off. I mean, to put back in. So, you know, I guess you could technically do it in here, but that's not the way we're gonna do it today. All right, now we're on to the step. So basically, once you unclamp these clamps there, what you want to do is you obviously want to disconnect that screw. One that was over here, and then essentially you just want to pull straight up. This one's already got the block off plate on the bottom. So some of these have snorkels, some of these have an open air. So this one has a block off plate, and which is a plus because that's exactly what we wanted to do. So cool, let's go on and do the charcoal filter delete, and that's some good horsepower. Currently taking off these screws, and this is just a T. I don't know what T it is, but maybe T25, not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and take those things off. Take the box apart. You're gonna notice that there's a block off plate. This is actually a BMW fix that they did. That way you can get more air into the air box instead of having hot air come in through the bottom. And then this is your regular filter. Clean that out. And here's your charcoal filter. So this right here is what has to go. And this is an emissions thing, but it's super restrictive. I mean, nowhere you can even see through this thing. So this should be a nice little gain of horsepower when taking this off. So we're gonna do the same thing on the side. So let me go ahead and take this out. I think this should be pretty simple. Just kind of go in these tabs. It's very similar to what they did on the E60 M5, which I used to have too, and I absolutely felt a difference when I took this off. All right, let me get to that. We got the charcoal filter out. Basically just pull one of the tabs and it should come straight out. Not a big deal. So I went ahead and cleaned my filter. It was filthy. There was a lot of trash down here. So just kind of, if you got some compressed air, that would be awesome. But if not, slide that bad boy like that, and you should be good to go to put it back together. All right, finally finished that. It took me about 20 minutes. It is a huge pain in the butt getting this stupid tab back in here. So if you get it, it just slides in. And if you pull the whole entire tube, you got to take it apart, put the filter part in first, and then slide in the intake box over it, and it fits in like a little puzzle. And then at the end it has a little tab that seals it. Okay, so that's it. So maybe I'll post a video showing some results. Might take it to the dyno, but I'm looking to get a downpipes and tune first. So this is my F10 M5. It's a little dirty at the moment, but you'll see how we do it. All right, y'all. Like and subscribe, please, and make sure if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. See y'all later. Peace out.